Hello YouTube. So if you're tired searching for a fix for iPad Pro keyboard, I found this method working for me. If you look closer at the springs of the keyboard, one of them is shorter, so it's not connecting to the three dots on the iPad. So all what you have to do is to use the soldering iron and the soldering wire to make a cap on one of the shorter springs, so they are all at the same level. So let's see how this works. بس الأحمر. Try to melt the soldering wire, the soldering iron. And put the cap on one of the springs. I already did that to my keyboard. I'm gonna see if that's gonna work. So actually it's working just fine, but still obnoxious because sometimes it doesn't connect and you have to move the keyboard a little forward and backward until it connects to the iPad. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.